Hi everyone, I'm Shalyn Ramsey, CEO and founder of MaskIT. I want to personally thank you for being here. In the coming years, your body is going to go through some incredible changes as you mature into beautiful young women. Menstruation is as natural as breathing. Without menstruation, none of us would be here, and so it's really important that we love our bodies and embrace the changes. We made this video because there's a very important part of menstruation that's often overlooked. What do I do with my tampon or pad after I used it? The most important thing to recognize is that menstrual blood is blood, and it should be handled with care wherever you are. Unfortunately, in the past, women like me have never really had a practical way to take care of our tampons or pads. And so most of us have done our best to either cover them in toilet paper or we've taken our chances with flushing. In public restrooms, you've likely noticed the signs that say, "Do not flush feminine hygiene items." That's because flushing a tampon or pad can and will cause plumbing problems. This is why it's so important for us to discard our items properly into a receptacle. The problem with toilet paper is that it was never really meant to cover blood-saturated items, and so it takes a lot of layers to cover a tampon or pad, and it doesn't protect anyone from exposure to bloodborne pathogens. Toilet paper is wasteful and inefficient, but it can be used as a last resort. You are lucky because today you have the option of using MaskIT, the new standard. MaskIT is the safest, most sanitary method for the removal and disposal of tampons and pads. It's made with certified compostable biofilm, derived from the starches of plants and vegetables, and it blocks odor on a molecular level. This is a huge improvement over toilet paper and is so much more sustainable. I invented MaskIT because I wanted my daughters to have a better, cleaner, safer way to dispose of their menstrual items, and now you can too. There are two sizes of MaskIT. The large MaskIT has been designed for pads, wrappers, and applicators. The small MaskIT has been designed specifically for use with tampons. However, they both work exactly the same way. There are a few things you're going to want to remember when inserting your hand into the MaskIT pouch. The first is that you will want the logo and the tape to be on the back side of your hand. Then you will insert your thumb into the other side, creating this puppet pocket function, which allows you to easily remove a tampon with your hand covered. You'll simply grab the MaskIT from the tape side, invert it up and over everything, remove the liner, and press and seal. Now it can be safely discarded into a receptacle. Clean and easy. For the pad size MaskIT, you're going to insert your hand the same way. So remember that the logo and the tape will be going onto the back side of your hand. Then your thumb will go into the other side, again creating that puppet pocket function, allowing you to now remove your pad with your hand covered very easily. Simply hold on to your pad, grab the MaskIT from the tape side, invert up and over everything, remove the liner, fold it over to press and seal. And again, now it is safe to discard into a receptacle. Clean and easy. Starting your period is an exciting and big first step into adulthood. I know it can sometimes be confusing and challenging, so when you have questions, don't be afraid to ask your mothers, your teachers, or other women in your life. You are not alone. I hope that MaskIT can make things a little easier for you than they were for me, and that you can find comfort in the process of becoming a woman. Our instructor will be giving you our Puberty Education Kit today. Inside this kit, you will find a sample of both our large and small size MaskIT pouches, directions for how to use MaskIT, and an infographic that will show you how using MaskIT can actually help save trees. You will also find a small gift from us, a bracelet that you can wear every day to remind yourself that you are beautiful just the way you are. You will also find a brochure with lots of great information about menstruation, compliments of Be Prepared Period. Our collaboration with Be Prepared Period is because we both share the same value of empowering and educating young women like you. Thank you so much for watching. We are always happy to help and would love to hear from you, so don't be afraid to send us a message. For more information, visit us at maskit.us. Have a wonderful day.